Hi everyone, for those of us on Paleo or Keto low-carb diet, we do miss noodles and rice dishes once in a while. I have shown you a Paleo replacement for noodles in an earlier video, the zucchini noodles. Today we are going to make a Paleo rice substitute with minced cauliflower. It is super delish and you wouldn't miss rice at all. So let's get started. This recipe takes about 20 to 30 minutes to prepare, depending if you have the food processor to break the cauliflower up into rice-sized bits. It serves about 2 to 3 persons. So the ingredients you need are 1.5 cups of cauliflower florets, which is equivalent to 450 grams, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 200 grams of large shrimp peeled and deveined, half a big zucchini diced, 1 cup of frozen mixed peas with carrots and corn, thawed, 150 grams, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, all-purpose seasoning which consists of garlic, herbs, black pepper and sea salt, and sea salt and black pepper to taste. I get my groceries from Red Mart. Not only do they have a variety of healthy, organic, international, and local produce, they also offer free home delivery with minimum order amount. Do check out the link below in my description box to access their website. First up, dice up the zucchini into small cubes. Next, chop the cauliflower finely. If you have a food processor, it will save you a lot of time. Just pause the cauliflower in the food processor until it's broken up into rice-sized pieces. This is the time when I wish to have a food processor at home. Once the cauliflower is done, mince up the garlic. Add sesame oil to a heated non-stick pan. Add in the garlic and saute it until it's golden brown. Toss in the zucchini and saute it for 3 minutes until soft. Toss in the peas, carrots and corn and stir fry it for another 2 minutes. Add the shrimps in and some sesame oil if necessary. Saute it until it turns pink in about 2 minutes. Season it with salt and pepper. Add garlic and herbs seasoning. Toss in the cauliflower rice and mix until the cauliflower rice has warmed through. Add more seasoning if necessary. Move the contents of the pan to the side to create a well in the center. Break the egg in the center and slowly scramble the egg. Once the egg is cooked, mix everything in the pan together. And there you have it. This is the shrimps and vegetable cauliflower fried rice that is paleo and keto friendly. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have tried the recipe or tweak it a little. And most importantly, click subscribe for more videos weekly. And as usual, thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on my channel before you go, and I'll see you soon.